Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you've seen my previous video, then you would know that I was offshore working as a medic. But today, I'm finally back in the UK. And today is the day I set myself a challenge to see if a complete novice can teach himself how to fish. I haven't touched a rod since I was a kid, but challenge accepted. So I went on Amazon and I dumped £255 on fishing equipment and accessories. The main one being the main box, which I got it from Rentwood Tackles. So big shout out to them. And this one cost me £154.45. So without further ado, let's see if this kit has everything it needs for a complete novice to catch a fish. But let's finally open these boxes. So I'm going to start off with the little boxes first. So I'm a big lover of coffee. So I thought if I'm going to go fishing, then I certainly can't go anywhere without a stove. Obviously I need gas for that. So I think that roughly cost me around about £22, which wasn't a massive thing. I do have them a few dotted around, but you can never have too many stoves. So bought a kettle to go with my stove. And now on to the fishing gear. So I've been seeing a lot of people bang on about PVA meshes. So I thought I'd give myself a crack with that. And then just a little box full of hooks and stuff. Again, I don't know the technical term, but I'll list it down below. Everything that I've purchased here, it'll be all listed in the below. But again, I've seen a lot of people rave on about that as well. Now on to one of the bigger boxes. And obviously, everyone needs a box. Everyone needs a bait box. And obviously it doubles up into a seat as well, which is pretty good. And it was quite cheap. Well, I thought it was quite cheap. I don't know, perhaps you can drop a message down below and let me know if everything that I've purchased is actually the correct sort of price or if I've overpaid. Okay, now on to the main box that we've all been waiting for. Is this the box that contains everything that I need to be able to carry out the basics? Let's have a look. Okay, let's see what we got. So we've got a bag to keep everything contained. We have a landing mat. I'm not actually sure what this is. Anyone have a guess? Okay, so we have a little tent, I suppose like a wind barrier tent. We have our net. We have our alarms, and we have 3 of them. Not too sure what's in here. There's batteries in it. I'm presuming they're for the bait alarms. We have some stones. We have three weighted stone, 3 weights. Not sure what weight they are, but we have 3 of them. I'll drop down the details exactly what they are. And we have some boilies. For carp. 15mm, 200 gram. So baiting toolkit. So included is large baiting hooks, small baiting hooks, baiting needle, and baiting drill. Again, complete novice, so I'm not even sure what I use them for, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. And then we have some barbless hair rigs. So we have some lines already pre-made, size 6, 8, and 10. So they'll probably come really handy for my first fishing, so I don't have to do the tricky bits of tying a hook on. Then we have 2. We have 3 fishing lines. All right, okay. We have 3 fishing lines. And 3 of these. I'm not sure what they are. Again, complete novice. But we've got some fishing lines, which is great. And then in our final bag, I'm not sure what this is. We have some of these. Anyone know what they are? Give me a shout out if you know what they are. And this is a session pod. Height adjustable legs, extending body. Right, okay, it's a 3-rod rest. So I'm presuming these are for the rods. But I'm sure someone can give me a shout out and tell me exactly what they're used for. And that is pretty much it, guys, in this package. I don't think I've missed anything. Nope, that is empty. Okay, guys, so that was everything unboxed. Do you think that I've got everything to take on my first fishing session? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Everything that I have purchased, I will advertise down below, so if you're interested in any of these items, you'll be able to find them on the links below. After review and everything, I think I am missing a few things, like bait boxes, or I have seen a few videos where people have used slingshots to put their baits out. But if you think that I need something else before I go to my first fishing session, then drop it down below and let me know. But please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, do the rest of the normal stuff that you do for posts if you're wanting to see more content from myself, or follow me for that matter, so you don't miss any videos from me. And then finally, this is exactly what all the kit looks like, all set up. Okay guys, so there you have it. You have the Oakwood Deluxe Full Carp fishing setup. So another shout out to Rentwood Tackle. We have the fishing seat tackle box. And another shout out to Adisel. Also, you know, I did buy my first sort of bit of content creating kits with this order, so, and the brand was Hugsy, so, you know, a shout out to them. And that little box that I mentioned earlier on, which has got all your carp accessories, etc. And that's from Dr. Fish, which is your carp and rig accessory kit. So shout out to Magic Sports for that one. So, all in all, do you think that this is money well spent? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like and follow, and come and join me on my next adventure by the lake.